All right, welcome back, everybody. Here it is. This is the very next day from the part one video. Here you are checking out the last little bits of repairs. I didn't put it on the video here of changing out the battery box lid and the ammeter and those little things there. It was just very tight in there. Lighting wasn't really good. Got two light bulbs in the front of the shop, and neither one of them seemed to work real good. That's the only place where I work all the time, unfortunately. So anyway, but here we are getting some weights put on it. Here you can see it's using a forklift to not have to manhandle those quite so badly. But it's been a late night Friday getting all the hitch stuff all on there and ready to go. And today we're going to again get this um, weights on, get the plows mounted up, and do a little dab of testing. So we end up, I guess we made a few passes there with the plow there, with both the two-way plow and the two-bottom plow before we got rained out. But anyway, it was a lot of fun. I enjoy working on these old things, and had a lot of fun doing it, and in preparation to go down to again to the Jtwes Plow Day, and a lot of fun. And the again, you're kind of catching the end of the Saturday here, so I'm not going to talk too much more, but I again just want to kind of go over a few things here in the partway through. You'll see what we've been kind of working on for the past few weeks and getting this trailer ready to go as well. So it's like two things trying to get done together, and thankfully the Lord give us the time and ability to get it done. So we made it, but I guess spoiler alert there, but it was pretty much down to the wire, and very thankful to get it all done. And the old trailer ended up pulling really well. Really pleased with how it did, and the tractor seemed to run well. So again, everything went fairly smooth, no complaints, and had a really good time down there. So again, stay tuned for part three. It'll be coming up here in a short bit. Got a lot of good footage of plowing and all the good folks down there again. And I was talking to Joey there of Jtwes, and he is scheduling the next one for October 15th. 2022. So hoping to make this an annual thing. So if you're free, come on down and enjoy a plow day. And like he said, you don't have to bring a tractor. Just come on down and have a good time. And there's plenty of tractors there, and folks let you ride theirs around if you'd like. So but anyway, it was a really good time. And again, I want to encourage you to go over to his channel. Again, that's Jtwes YouTube channel, and check out the footage from their end of things. And they've got a bunch of other good videos here on these little one-row tractors. And also, I was kind of surprised we didn't see Farmall 51 down there. Hopefully, he can make it next year. He's big in the little one-row stuff. He's got a Cub, maybe two, and some 140s and some other good stuff too. And he's got a great channel too. So go check him out as well. That's Farmall 51. And both of them are good, clean sites. You don't have to, or channels, you don't have to worry about bad language or things that wouldn't be appropriate for kids. They're both family oriented and good, wholesome, clean, not only entertainment, but information and education. So, you can learn a lot there from these guys, and like I say, hope you enjoy this little bit of getting ready to head down there. And again, if you can, clear your calendar next year for the October the 15th, 2022. So, and again, you can keep an eye on his channel for any updates as it gets closer. And really, again, just I think I enjoy working on stuff as much as riding stuff, so we ended up having a good time here getting this stuff ready to go, and a little bit hectic, but again, just a really good time. So also, I almost forgot to mention, you might even see my girls here a little bit. They've been doing a little bit of plowing and practicing, and so they each took a little bit of a pass here and did some plowing down there as well. So anyway, hope you enjoy, and I'll turn you loose here and let you check out some of the rest of this video doing some plowing. We've got some different shots plowing and also some of the trailers. So anyway, I'm going to let you go, and don't forget to check out part 3 when you get a moment there. It should be out here real soon. Good morning, everybody. It is the Wednesday before the Jtwes Plow Day, so we're kind of in a frantic assembly here, trying to get the last minute details of this trailer knocked out. And we've been cutting wood and trying to get the deck all taken care of. It's come along pretty good. Got an enormous amount of work to go, but there you can kind of see how the tail of the trailer will go up to go over a fence post or over a bank or something. But anyway, it's pretty excited about getting this thing wrapped up. And not only is it really handy, I found, to get over obstacles. You know, again, that's if it's empty. Of course, there's something on it, it might pinch up and hit. But it's been really, really nice to work on. My goodness, it's so handy to have this thing to where we can just stand under here and wire stuff up. So that's been real handy. You can kind of see our hydraulic pieces, got all them tied up out of the way, and there's our connection here for the back. And again, all these are soldered and heat shrink protected. And anyway, just it's a wild, crazy mess right now, trying to get everything ready. And we still got a lot of work to do. So still got to screw down the top deck boards. They're retained by screws, not by the strips like everywhere else. And I've got to deal with some of these boards that have a little hump in them. And I think what I'm going to do is put a piece of wood under it and screw up into them just to suck them down tight. That way they're not in there bouncing and making a mess or make you trip and fall because one's sticking up. So that's probably what we're going to be working on today, getting some of that knocked out. And it's been a couple of late days and early mornings, weeks here trying to get this thing knocked out. But anyway, that's where we're at.